Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. We're home from work and we're making a couple of things in the house tonight. We're frying up some crispy bacon to use in some breakfast omelets later this week. And we're making dinner, and dinner tonight is so easy. Whoop! Oh, it's so easy. Sorry. And we're actually adding a little addition to our dinner tonight. We're making bacon wrapped pork chops. Guys, it is seriously all that. You just take pork chops, and I like to beat mine with a meat tenderizer. I season them with salt and pepper, and then we wrap them with thick sliced bacon. I secured the bacon with a toothpick, and we have them in the air fryer on 350, and we're going to cook them until they're cooked through, which means the bacon is crispy. Frankie, my baby. The bacon is crispy, and my pork chops are cooked. So you can use a meat thermometer to check that out if you need to. Or you can just check it out and see. I've done this so many times I can pretty much look at my pork chops and see that they're cooked. They're almost done, like literally almost done. So I'm pulling them out of the air fryer for a few minutes because the last thing that I want to do to my bacon wrapped pork chop is add a little blue cheese butter. So we're making a blue cheese butter. I'm going to share with you what I'm doing. I'll try not to burn myself with this hot bacon grease. It's hot. And I usually have a cover that you guys have sent me. I had several friends send me a splash guard, but my housekeeper came today and I don't know where it's at, and I am trying to hurry. So I'm risking getting burnt. Okay, so the blue cheese butter. Can you guys even hear me? It's a lot of sizzling. If you can hear me, give me some hearts. And guys, if you're looking for easy recipes, you're in the right place. So give me some hearts and share this video. Now I've got this typed up in the post. As soon as I finish this live video, you guys are going to see this all written out. So easy. We just cooked the bacon and wrapped it around pork chops. So I used my meat tenderizer to kind of tenderize the pork chops. Added salt and pepper, wrapped it with bacon, secured it with a toothpick. And now we're making some blue cheese butter. Now you can leave the blue cheese butter off and use any kind of low sugar dipping sauce for the pork chop. That's what we normally do. I love G Hughes, and he has got some of the most amazing dipping sauces and marinades. But tonight, I really am feeling some blue cheese butter. So guys, it is so easy. You just take a block of butter. So take a block of butter, and you want to have it sit out a little bit so it gets soft. And then you're just going to take that butter and a fork, and you're going to spread it out over some parchment paper. Now I like parchment paper because it's not going to stick. And we can form a block of butter. A little bit, honey. Okay, so we got the butter. Now we're going to take some blue cheese crumbles. Now I already have some in here. So we're going to use the little blue cheese crumbles. And we're just going to put that onto the butter. And then we're going to use our fork to combine and mix it up together. And then we're just going to fold this up. You can make it whatever shape you want to. So if you want to do pretty little hearts, you can make heart-shaped butters. If you just want to make it into a square, which is what I usually do, you just form it into the design you want. And then we're just going to fold this parchment paper over the butter, and we're going to put this in the freezer just so it can harden a couple more minutes. It pretty much is ready to go though, so I'm not going to have to put this in the freezer. If you get it too softened, as soon as you put it in the air fryer, it's just going to melt, which is fine because it's going to just give the pork chop some seasoning. But if you want to form this into a block, you literally can just get a spoon, so it'll be easier. Let me get a spoon. Get a spoon. I got this a little softened. Just get a spoon and create whatever shape you want. It can be a line, it can be a square, it doesn't matter. You're just getting your butter formed so you can chill it in the refrigerator overnight. I love to put this on top of steaks that we grill. Or you can just put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes or the freezer when you're ready to use it. So like I'm ready to use it, but I do want it to be a little formed. So I'm going to move this spoon out of the way, move that fork out of the way. We're just going to take this parchment paper and see what I'm doing here? I know I'm talking a lot. Really, there's no need to talk. You guys could just watch me. So we're just taking that parchment paper and getting it even in size. And we're just going to fold this up, put it in the freezer a couple of minutes. Really, it's not going to need to be in the freezer long. And then we're going to take it out, put it over these pork chops, and turn the air fryer back on. I mean, guys, blue cheese butter fried pork chops. Sounds amazing, right? Bacon wrapped pork chops. Let me put this in the freezer real quick. Lord, these dogs are going to kill me. They want to make me trip. dogs are going to make the trip because they will not get out from under my feet. They smell bacon. So I don't know about your dogs, but my dogs love the smell of food. And they think they're going to get bacon knowing that they never get bacon. They get bacon dog treats, but not bacon off the skillet. All right, almost done with this. So guys, look how pretty this is right now. Ooh, goodness. Now I'll bring my phone back over here. It's hot. Bring my phone back. You guys can see. And then we're going to top it off with some blue cheese butter we just made. Turn this back on and make sure that bacon is good and crispy. We've got some bacon wrapped blue cheese butter pork chops right out of the air fryer. Fast, easy, delicious dinner. As far as the side dish, you could do salad. You could do any low carb vegetable. Anything goes with pork chop, and I love bacon, so. All right, guys, I am going to jump off here. It doesn't look like you have any questions. If you are brand new to my page, I would love for you to share these videos. I love to help more people. I want to reach more people. I want to meet new people. So make sure you always share these videos. And if you're new and you've never had my getting started tips, say getting started in the comments. I would love to send you some simple tips. It's going to help you feel amazing in the new year and show you simple ways to kind of look at your meals and make them low carb. Make them keto. It's not difficult. You just need a simple way to do it. And I only like to eat and share simple advice. So if you're new and you want getting started tips, say getting started. And guys, I'm going to go. So share this video. Give me some hearts and see you tomorrow. Bye.